You're halfway through a cat meme when suddenly, no internet. Not just for you, for everyone. TikTok? Dead. Google? Gone. Your food delivery? Stuck at the restaurant. What happens next isn't just inconvenience. It's a global crisis in 3, 2, 1. In the first hour, confusion spreads. People restart their routers like it's a ritual. Smart homes, dumb. Streaming services, frozen. Even air traffic control and hospital servers freeze mid-task. By hour 3, Wall Street hits the wall. No internet equals no trades. Stock markets freeze. Billions in digital currency vanish from visibility. Investors panic. Meanwhile, one guy in a forest with no phone? Still sipping his tea. With messaging apps dead, people knock on doors like it's the 1800s. Board games reappear. Kids ask, "What's a DVD?" One guy invents offline Tinder, a cardboard sign that says, "Single?" Without GPS, drivers get lost. Without cloud access, companies shut down. Electric grids run blind. ATMs lock up. Hospitals lose patient data. One surgeon mid-operation just mutters, "Uh-oh." Airlines, banks, factories, nearly everything depends on the web. Without it, modern civilization wobbles like a tower of Jenga bricks in an earthquake. Then something strange happens. People look up, conversations happen. They rediscover something unexpected, human interaction. Terrifying, yet kinda nice. 24 hours later, it's back. Your inbox has 643 unread emails. But also, you now know your neighbor's name. Would the world survive 24 hours offline? Yes, barely. Would it learn something from it? Maybe. If you could shut down the internet for one day, would you do it? Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to connect with us online here on Scioverse.